Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am with another video, and this video is different from the previous one. And I have done this complete makeover to my daughter's room by myself. And the beautiful thing about this room is I have done this wall by myself. I painted rainbow and these dots by myself, and I'm gonna share all the details of this wall in this video here. And let's get started. First, I'm gonna make a rough drawing to paint a rainbow. Okay, take a measuring tape and insert paint at a mark of 1 inch. Now, insert that same paint into the center of wall and start marking from 20 inches to 27 inches, making each mark 1 inch apart. We have to make it towards the right, top and left side so that it makes a semicircle. Basically, we have to make 7 semicircles to make a rainbow. Then I'm gonna join all the dots to make a solid line. And you have to follow this process from one end of the rainbow to the other end. And here you can see it's the rough sketch for the rainbow which is ready to paint. The camera does not capture the whole rainbow because of its resolution. I made clouds on the either side of the rainbow, which I'm painting grey. My daughter Myra helped me too to paint the clouds. I started painting the first color of rainbow, which is red. Then I painted the next stripe with the orange color. Then I started painting the third color, yellow, and then followed it by green, and then by blue, and finally by purple. Okay, so this is how rainbow looks like finally. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start painting the dots on the wall. For the dots, I'll take a thick sheet. I've taken this gift paper and I've made into a sheet and then took a bottle cap and made some circles. Then I started painting these circles on the wall randomly with different colors. To prevent the paint from bleeding, take only little paint at a time, and you have to take thick paint. And yes, this is time taking, but if you want to do this, yeah, you have to do it. And finally, moving towards the end of wall, it is almost done. And that's the final look of the wall of my daughter's room. And this is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Thanks for watching. I'll be back with more home decor and other videos soon. Stay tuned. Bye bye.